Hey all, in this video we will create this color smoke effect in Photoshop which you have seen on social media artworks. It first looks difficult but it is very easy. With the images already open in Photoshop, let's get started. I'll put the image links in description. I have a model image without a background, so if your model image has a background, then first select the subject or model from the image and make a new layer from it. Now let's work with the smoke image. Select the smoke or remove its background and create a new layer with the selection. Adjust the size of the smoke and the face of the model. Make sure the size of the smoke should be a little bigger than the face. Now add a layer mask to the smoke layer and while pressing Ctrl or Command key, click on the face layer thumbnail to select the pixels. Then press Ctrl or Command plus I to invert the selection. Click on the layer mask to activate it. Press B for the brush tool and with black background color set, hard round brush, flow to 100, paint on the front of the face to hide the smoke there, and we get this face outline with smoke. Now move the model layer above the smoke layer and then with soft round brush and flow to around 10 to 20 brush on the face to reveal it. Now bring that layer down again and while pressing Ctrl or Command, click on the face layer mask to select the reveal part. We need smoke layer on the top to make it look like a smoke is coming out of the face. Now duplicate the face layer, convert the duplicate layer to smart object and then go to filter, noise, reduce noise, set the strength to 8, preserve details to 0, reduce color noise to 70, sharpen details to 75 and press OK. We can finish it with some camera raw filter. And at last, add a new layer to create shadow of the face. I know you have enjoyed this, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your edits with me by following my socials. Links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.